Imagine the world as a tuning fork. Your inner frequency helps shift the collective tone. What if every thought and feeling you've ever had is a part of a vast, invisible web, one that's quietly reshaping the world? I'm Darin, and this is Transcendental Harmony. Today, we're exploring the idea of a collective consciousness upgrade, a subtle but real shift in global awareness, and how your inner work might matter more than you think. We live in an era of unprecedented connectivity. Information moves instantly. Shared crisis expose systemic blind spots. That connectivity accelerates awareness. People notice patterns, ask deeper questions, and grow impatient with stale stories. Reports of spiritual awakenings, shifts towards empathy and sustainability, and coordinated peaceful movements are rising. These aren't just trends, they're signals. The field of shared meaning is shifting. But let's be clear, a global awakening isn't uniform, and it's not utopia. It's a changing probability field. More people tilting towards empathy, collaboration, and inner inquiry. It's uneven, it's messy, but the direction matters. Collective consciousness describes how beliefs, attention, and emotional tone distribute across groups and influence behavior. Ancient traditions hinted at it. Modern science offers metaphors, networks, emergent behaviors, even quantum entanglement. Whether you call it a field, a web, or a network, the pattern is the same. Individual minds don't exist in isolation. We influence and are influenced by each other. Personal transformation isn't private. When you shift your attention, your emotional regulation, your behavior, you change the signals you send into the collective field. Here are 3 ways that shift the scales. Steady attention reduces reactivity. A regulated person is less likely to escalate conflict and more likely to model calm. Small acts of care create feedback loops. Someone treated with dignity tends to treat others the same. Constant inner practice builds trust, reflection, ethical choices, and visible accountability model alternate pathways. Signs of this shift include global movements for justice and sustainability, innovation in conscious technology, and green energy, cross-culture dialogue, and a general tilt toward meaning over consumption. At the same time, we see popularization, backlash, and noise. That friction doesn't disprove the shift, it confirms it. Complex systems reconfigure through tension. Collective consciousness isn't magic. It's an emergent property of countless individual choices. When more of us cultivate regulation, compassion, and coherence, the field shifts towards care. Your inner work is public. It matters. If this resonated with you, try raising your frequency and help shift the collective tone. Your practice matters. Don't forget to share, subscribe, stay connected, and follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.